Hello students. Students, in previous lecture we have completed all the types of matrices. Now today we will start exercise. First exercise 2.1. Now listen question number 1. Construct a matrix A is equal to Aij of order 3 cross 2 whose element Aij is given by number 1 Aij is equal to I minus j the whole square upon 5 minus I. Here students, in question number 1, here construct a matrix A of order 3 cross 2. Of order 3 cross 2 means in matrix A there is 3 rows and 2 columns, and here given that condition on general elements Aij. Aij is nothing but I minus j the whole square upon 5 minus I. So here students, first will consider one general matrix. Let matrix A is equal to, here given that order of matrix A is 3 cross 2 means here there is 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. Here we'll write first element as A11, second element is A12. Here there is only 2 columns. So here we have written A11, A12. Second element is A21, A22. Then A31, A32. Here there is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 2 columns. Here students, we have considered one general matrix, and after that, according to the given condition, here given that condition on element Aij is nothing but I minus j the whole square upon 5 minus I. By using this condition, we'll find out all the 6 elements. Here first write, since what is given that Aij is equal to I minus j the whole square upon 5 minus I. 5 minus I. So here instead of Aij we'll write first element. First element is A11. A11 means here what is I? I is 1, j is also 1. Then instead of Ij here we'll substitute 1, 1. Here substitute instead of I 1, j is also 1. 1 minus 1 the whole square upon 5 minus 1. I is 1. Now simplify. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then students, 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4 will be 0. Similarly, find out second element. What is second element? A12. A12 is equal to, here substitute instead of I 1 and instead of j substitute 2. I is 1, j is 2. 1 minus 2 upon 5 minus I is 1. I is 1. 5 minus 1. Here write square. 1 minus 2. The whole square. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 is square upon 4 means it is 1 upon 4. Now next A. Here this 2 element is completed. Now next A21. A21 means I is 2, j is 1. Then here I substitute 2 and j is 1. 2 minus 1 the whole square upon 5 minus 2. Yes, then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 square is 1. Means it is 1 upon 3. Now next A22. A22 means I is 2 and j is also 2. Means it is 2 minus 2 the whole square upon 5 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 upon 3. 0 upon 3 is 0. Now next element A31. A31 is I is 3, J is 1. Instead of I, substitute 3, J is 1. 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, the whole square. 3 minus 1 is 2. It is 2 square upon 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 is 2. Now next, last element A32. A32 means I is 3, J is 2. Means 3 minus 2 the whole square upon 5 minus 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square means 1 upon 5 minus 3 is 2. It is 1 upon 2. Now getting students, here we have find all the 6 elements according to given condition. Now after that, here we'll substitute all the elements in matrix A. So here we'll write, therefore A is equal to what is here our first element A11. A11 is coming 0. It is 0. Second element is 1 upon 4. Then next A21 is 1 upon 3. Next A22 is 0. Then next A31 is 2. And A32 is 1 upon 2. Getting? This is our matrix A. Now next, question number 3. Which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular? Here students, check given matrix is singular or non-singular. How to find here matrix is singular or non-singular? For singular, non-singular, we'll find determinant of given matrix. If determinant, answer of determinant is coming 0, then we can say that matrix is a singular matrix. If determinant is not equals to 0, then we can say that matrix is non-singular matrix. Means it is depend on answer of determinant. Then here first find out determinant. Here we'll write determinant of A. Determinant of A. Sorry, here not given that this matrix is as A. Here first we'll assume let A is equal to given matrix. Let A is equal to given matrix 3 minus 2 3 5 1 2 7 4 5. Here first consider matrix as A. Now after that find out determinant. Here write determinant of A. Here also write in determinant sign 3 minus 2 3 5 1 2 7 4 5. It is determinant. Now after that find out determinant. Here we'll write first element 3 as it is into determinant. Here eliminate first row, first column. What is remaining? 1 4 2 5. Now next minus 5 into determinant. 5 here belong in first row, second column. Here eliminate first row, second column. What is remaining? Minus 2 3. Then 4 5. Now next plus 7 into determinant. Here eliminate first row, third column. What is remaining? Minus 2 1. Next 3 2. 3 2. Getting? Now after that expand determinant. 3 5 into 1 is 5 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Then minus 5 minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Minus 4 into 3 is 12. Then plus 7. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Next 3. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Then minus 5. Minus 10 minus 12 is minus 22. Then plus 7. minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Now multiply 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus minus plus 5 into 22. 5 into 2 is 10, 0, 5 into 2 is 10, plus 1, 1, 10, 11. Now next, plus minus minus 7 into 7 is 49. Now again simplify. It is minus 9 minus 49 is minus 58 plus 110. Minus 58 plus 110 is 52. It is not equals to 0. So here students, what is the value of determinant? Value of determinant is coming 52. 52 is not equals to 0. Then we can say that A is non-singular matrix. So here write, since determinant of A is not equals to 0, therefore A is not a singular matrix. Yeah, A is not a singular matrix, or we can write A is a non-singular matrix. Here we'll write A is non-singular matrix. A is non-singular matrix. Getting A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix. If value of determinant is coming 0, then we can say that A is a singular matrix. Now next, question number 4th. Find K if the following matrices are singular. Here students, given that matrices are singular, then find out value of K. Here again, first we'll assume given matrix as A. Let A is equal to matrix 7 minus 2 3 K. So here given that since A is a singular matrix, A is a singular matrix. Here given that A is a singular matrix. A is singular matrix means we can write therefore determinant of A is equal to 0, because it is singular matrix. Then instead of determinant of A will write this matrix, means determinant of 7 minus 2 3 K, which is equal to 0. Then on LHS expand determinant. 7 into K is 7K, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus minus plus, it is plus 6, which is equal to 0. Then 7K is equal to minus 6. What is K? K is equal to minus 6 upon 7. K is equal to minus 6 upon 7. Getting here given that matrix is a singular matrix, that's why we have written determinant of A is equals to 0. Then after that find out value of K. K is coming minus 6 upon 7. Then here students, exercise 2.1 is completed.